Here are 10 reasons you can trust us here at Lost Empire Herbs. Number one, we are real people. I'm a real person. My name is Logan Christopher. That's not a pseudonym. That's not a pen name. And I, along with my two brothers, Zane and Cloud, we started this company because we really wanted to get the best quality herbs ourselves. We were having great results with them, and we wanted to share it with other people. In fact, all the people that work at the company are real people. How many other supplement companies out there are just nameless, faceless corporations where you have no clue what is really going on? And this leads me into the second reason. We take our herbs. I take these herbs. All the people in the company take these herbs. Even agencies we're working with, we've got some of them hooked on the herbs. Once again, those nameless, faceless corporations, do you know if the CEO, if anyone in the company is taking those herbs, or are they pulling a fast one? They're like, oh no, I wouldn't ever take that stuff. Do you know the answer? I think that this is an ultimate test, and if you can't identify the answer, then that may be a good sign. So I take these herbs, everyone at our company takes these herbs. Reason number 4, we do independent lab testing on all of our products. So we're getting herbs in from China, from India, and a lot of people are like, oh no, you can't get herbs from China. We send them off to the labs to make sure that they pass our quality standards. Everything is verified, that it is what it says, what we say it is in the first place. And this leads us to number 5. When it comes to heavy metals, which is one of those things you want to be careful of, we have stricter standards than most of the government agencies out there. And we post our results online. These are freely available. You can see the exact results of our product tests, of our independent lab tests. Again, most supplement companies, they rely on vendor COAs, and hopefully that's good if it's a good vendor, but unfortunately there are some unscrupulous companies out there. So we independently lab test, and we have stricter standards than most, than any really government agency out there. In addition, reason number 6, we have a higher level of service than most companies out there. Now, this doesn't necessarily mean you can trust our herbs better, but we are here for you. We pay people well in order to provide great service to you.
Hi folks, this is Chelsea, the Director of Customer Experience here at Lost Empire Herbs. Just want to let you know that my team and I are here to help you with any needs you might have. Give us a call or an email anytime.
And one of the things you can check out, reason number 7, is the social proof of all these reviews. We pay for a third-party review service, meaning we do not control this. We can't get rid of 1-star reviews. But you check here, we have, I think, 1,400 and counting reviews on there. The predominant amount of them are 5 stars. Other people are loving us, showing that you can trust us. We're not a fly-by-night company. It takes a while to build up these kind of reviews. Another thing we do great, a lot more so than other companies, is the education. Look, herbs are not a panacea, not a magic bullet. They can have amazing effects, but if you really want great health and great performance, you got to do more than just take herbs. And we share lots of information through articles on our website, through videos such as this, through podcasts, through all these different sources, and sharing the references for everything that we share as well, the science and the ancient wisdom. We do a lot of education to really show that you can have the great health, great performance by taking the herbs and doing much more on top of that. Number 9, we have great supplier relationships. And we've gone off to some of our farms and worked with the farmers, talked to the suppliers, the vendors, shown you the process that creates these amazing herbs and the extracts that we do. Now, we haven't done this with every single supplier, and that leads me to number 10, transparency. We are not perfect. We're still a small company, and we're growing. We haven't got to all of our Chinese suppliers or Indian suppliers. We do plan on doing this in the future and being able to share the steps that go into everything. So it's really important we do that independent lab testing when we haven't been to every supplier. I'll freely admit that. Ideally, we'll get there, and we will. That is our plan. But when we screw up or when we don't have something, we try our best to be transparent about everything that we do. So these are 10 reasons that I hope we can earn your trust. Why we are trying to do something a little bit different than most of the other supplement companies out there. Head on over to lostempireherbs.com if you're not watching this there. Find a lot more information, as I said. Great service, great information, great quality herbs, all backed by money-back guarantee. See our references, see our lab testing, see how we have stricter standards than most. All that information is available over there. Thank you so much for listening. I hope we can support you in your health and performance goals.